Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of manually following up and missing potential leads? In this video, I'll show you how to automate client communication in GoHighLevel so you can focus on growing your business. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automation tab on the left-hand side. Next, click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Now, set your trigger, such as Appointment Scheduled, and click Save Trigger to kick off your automation. Add actions like sending a text or email to keep your clients updated, and click Save Action. Test your workflow, and once everything looks good, click Run Test. Ready to streamline your workflow? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and schedule your kickoff call for a smooth start. Links are in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.